Today, I am reviewing the HPBS A1 jump starter with air compressor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself, then grab it at a great price. Be sure to check the links below the video. After carrying the HPBS A1 jump starter with air compressor in my trunk for several months, I have come to realize that it is one of the most essential pieces of equipment any driver can own. In the past, being prepared for a roadside emergency meant carrying a bulky set of jumper cables and hoping a stranger would stop to help, or carrying a separate, heavy air compressor that plugged into a cigarette lighter. This device consolidates all of those needs into a single, high-performance unit that gives you total independence on the road. The sheer power of this jump starter is the first thing that stands out. With a 5,000 amp peak current, it is built to handle much more than just a standard sedan. I have used it to start everything from small fuel-efficient cars to heavy-duty trucks with large engines. It is rated for up to 10-liter gasoline engines and 8-liter diesel engines, which covers almost everything on the road today. One feature that truly saved me was the manual reset button. Often, if a battery is completely drained, smart jumpers won't recognize it, but this unit allows you to force a jump start even when the voltage is extremely low. It is rated for 50 jumps on a single charge, and I found that even after sitting in a cold trunk for weeks, the battery retention is excellent. It operates flawlessly in extreme temperatures, which is critical because batteries usually fail during the peak of winter or the height of summer. Beyond its ability to start a car, the integrated air compressor is a massive convenience. Most portable inflators are slow and noisy, but this unit moves 30 liters of air per minute. I tested it on a standard tire that was slightly low, and it brought the pressure from 29 to 36 psi in about 60 seconds. The digital display is easy to read, and the 4 preset modes make it simple to switch between cars, motorcycles, bikes, or even sports equipment. You simply set your desired pressure, and the unit automatically shuts off once it reaches that value. This prevents overinflation and means you don't have to crouch by the tire constantly checking a manual gauge. It is important to remember the safety note about letting it rest for 10 minutes after 10 minutes of continuous use, but for standard top-offs, you will never hit that limit. The versatility of this device as an 8-in-1 tool makes it a perfect companion for camping and road trips. It doubles as a high-capacity power bank for smartphones and tablets, which is a lifesaver if your car is dead and you need to keep your phone charged to make calls. The built-in LED flashlight is surprisingly bright and includes an SOS signal mode, which provides peace of mind if you are forced to change a tire or inspect your engine on a dark shoulder. Security and safety are clearly a priority for the manufacturers. As someone who is always a bit nervous about sparks or incorrect connections when using traditional jumper cables, the smart protection system on this unit is a relief. It has 10 built-in safeguards that protect against reverse polarity, overcurrent, and overvoltage. If you connect the clamps incorrectly, the smart indicator lights and a beeping sound immediately let you know, preventing any damage to your car's sensitive electronics or the jump starter itself. It feels very beginner-friendly and virtually foolproof. The build quality is rugged, and the included storage box keeps the jumper cables, charging wires, and air nozzles organized so they aren't rattling around in your vehicle. The red casing is highly visible, which is a small but thoughtful design choice for an emergency tool. Having a 24-month warranty also adds a layer of confidence in the long-term durability of the internal cells. In conclusion, the HPBS A1 is much more than just a battery booster. It is a comprehensive safety net. Whether you are dealing with a dead battery in a frozen parking lot or a low tire on a long stretch of highway, this device handles the situation with efficiency and ease. It is a powerful, reliable, and multifunctional tool that every driver should have. It replaces multiple bulky gadgets with one sleek, dependable box that eventually pays for itself the very first time you don't have to call for a tow truck.